Hello from Slovenia again. I'm using this Prussian blue hue opaque for my background today for a reverse flower dip. I don't know, let's see. It's quite different color that I imagined that it would be, but we will see. I will list all the colors into the description box of this video. So I added violet, Arteza violet, and this one is iridescent blue-green, and it's a little thick maybe. Nera wants to go out, she wants to come in, and then she wants to go out again. Raiko has his summer holiday vacation, so I'm a little less active lately, and I had some bad days with my health, so excuse me if I'm not so active lately, but I have to spend some time with him too. And I will get the second granddaughter in about 2 weeks or 3, so it's a lot going on. And I read comments, but I don't have time to answer every one of them and be so active, so excuse me, but that's how life is. Sometimes we have some things to do and we have to put some priorities. Sometimes I know that you understand that, but I kind of have a bad feeling, so I want to tell you this. Next Thursday, no, yes, Thursday, I will have a live auction, probably at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will put my preview video on in this weekend probably, because I have to decide which paintings I will put on my auction. And as I said, because I have a ton of those test kind of canvases that I can't sell, but I can give them away, so I will add some of these paintings randomly to the people who will buy my art. So they are totally fine canvases, but they have really messy backs, or they have 2 or 3 layers poured on already, so, but I don't want to throw them away, and that's why I decided that I will put them as give them away as a gift in this auction. I hope that you will like them anyway. I'm just deciding if I want to have violet in the middle or not, but I will just leave it like this maybe. Let's create some petals, kind of. Oops. Nera. She's still a baby, like a little baby. She's a year old, but still she wants to come here, and then after 5 minutes she would love to go out again, and you know, just like little babies, they can't be in one place for a long time. So that's how my Nera is too. Just a second. Just put this like this. I don't know how opaque is this Prussian blue hue, because it looks a little, I don't know, transparent. We will see. Oh, awful job with my napkin. But I will not lift it up and put it back down, because Nera, I will just let her out, because otherwise she will just... Okay, she's laying down with Nera now, with Flora, and I hope that she will not search for an attention. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, so weird. For the background, I think. Maybe this Prussian blue will not be the best choice for the background. But I just want to try how it will look. See? So weird. Or just maybe I will put a little water in it, because I think that it's a little too thick. And I will pour some around. And I'm not sure about that magenta. This pink, kind of pink color is permanent magenta from Windsor Newton. I'm just not sure this was the best idea. Just do this, and then I will spin it a little bit just a little bit. It almost looks like that I didn't mix it okay, but I mix it the same as I always do, and I mix it quite some time, so I don't know why it looks like this. And the flower is definitely not in the middle. But I'm afraid that I will just spin it once more. Let it go over the edge because I wasn't happy with this flower at all. And now maybe I can and once more maybe to the other side. And I will leave it now. Sorry guys, it was meant to be on the negative space, but this is just how it goes with this thing. Sometimes you just have to improvise, kind of. Because this just didn't work as I was hoping for. But now I really like it. I have some weird space here, but as you know, you can't have it all. But I really like this center of the flower, and still not sure about this magenta. But otherwise, I wish that all my petals would look like this too, you see? They are just perfect. But nothing is perfect in life, so neither my flowers. Far from perfect. You see this part? I totally grabbed something up that totally changed this petal, and this one here, but I just can't help it now. If I will continue, I don't know it. I will ruin it, so I will just leave it like it is. So sorry guys, it's didn't end up with the Prussian blue negative space, but still with a nice flower. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.